Hello. I'd like to welcome you to the Valencia Conference Center, a blank canvas to be filled by your imagination, an iconic frame that reinvents itself in each event. With a team that brings new solutions to new challenges. Never take anything for granted. Imagine everything. Can you imagine an unbeatable location? We give you Valencia, the third largest city in Spain, a benchmark in terms of number of conferences held and connected to over 40 European cities. A paradise of culture, cuisine and sport. We give you the sun, we give you the sea, we give you the accommodation, leisure and services. We give you end-to-end connections with all points of interest. Can you imagine spaces for everything? No problem. Choose from our versatile rooms or combine them according to your needs. We give you a hall dazzling in life and light, and gardens with fountains where you can unwind. We give you a wide range of rooms. We give you water and also flavor. Can you imagine all the equipment? We give you acoustics and comfort.
Testing, testing.
We give you the latest in sound and image. We give you technology, and what isn't technology, we give you as well. Can you imagine working together into superb service? Stop imagining. Meet our team of professionals whose sole aim is to exceed your expectations and work together with you so that your outcome is simply perfect. Just imagine your event. You set the limits. Let's do something amazing together.